Yeah, get you some of that, big boy. Yeah, get you some of that. Get drunk. Now you can't even get out, can you? Yeah, get you some of that. Some of that Evan. It'll do you good there, biggin. Whoa. You know how it is when you have a vision before you do something? Like you have expectations and you have a vision of how it's going to be, and not all the time does it work out where that vision actually comes to reality. That's what I've got going on here at the new Burnwood household. So this is what I have to work with on my property. Not many trees, as you can see. This wood was already here. You best believe I'm going to burn that up. So this fire pit right here, it was already here, right? And you got to see me set it on fire for the first time. Well, I just put all these rocks in here that I've been finding all over the yard, and there was some piled up right here to the side. And I've been finding rocks around the house and stuff. So what I'm trying to do here with this fire pit is just build it up a little bit, because it kind of slopes down toward that pallet and this tree. This is the high side right here. So I'm going to keep this fire pit here as a burn pit. Will I have a secondary fire pit? Maybe so. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do out here yet. I'm going to do something. You can bet on that. So for now, we're just going to take it easy. We're going to get into it easy. And I'm going to use this fire pit. Soybeans are green. As long as I don't let nothing get out of control, I should be okay. Bit of fat wood. It's nice having a fire pit that you can stand in, right? Big fire pit. That's how I'm going to do it. You know, after I get all this wood burnt that's on the property, I may have to resort to importing wood. I'll figure that out when that time comes. Don't have a fireplace inside, don't have a wood stove. But that could possibly change in the future. But I think it will be a good idea to have cords of wood delivered, stacked up, keep it covered with a tarp or something, because you just never know, man. You know, I can always go in some woods, whether it be back at my mom's or wherever, side of the road, find a couple nice logs, dead standing something, cut it down, limb it, throw it in the van, bring it back. Which is probably what I will be doing a lot. All these trees you see right here are mine. Those big trees right there. Those little trees in the corner right there. This tree right here. That tree on the other side of the house. And these trees right here on the side of the house. All my trees. No trees back here in the back. Like, there's no hammock trees out here. So if you come see Burnwood, make sure you pack a tent. Got an idea. Hammock poles. Cement them in the ground, several different places.